Let's test our database creation script with an instance on Google Cloud Compute. But before we do that, I need to modify this creation script as I want to include a table that tracks the inputs per receiver. So let's do that. And we will have a receiver ID here as well. Give it an input name. As well as a description. And as per convention, we'll specify a primary key. That ought to do it for this latest table. All right. Now, as I provision my GCP instance, I know that I'm going to want to authenticate via certificates. I already have a key pair, so what I want to do now is copy the public key so that I'm ready for the instance. So I will now I'll transition over to the GCP console. Here I want to create a new VM instance. And I'm going to put this closer to where I am. We're going to base it on Ubuntu. I'm going to up the disk space here, not that I need to, but it's kind of force of habit. And I want to also modify the security. And I'll enter my public key here. I think that looks good. Go ahead and create it. Probably should have gone ahead and started this process and let it run while I modified the script on the other screen. But that didn't seem to take too long. So what I'll do now is copy the public IP, go back over to my console, and I want to copy, well, first let me, I'm going to do something off out of the camera's view here for a second. Okay, transitioning back to the console, I want to copy my database creation script to the newly created server. So do an SCP. All right, that's better. Now I'll connect to my new host via secure shell, get a console. All right, and there's my database script. Now, again, sorry guys, I should have started this process before editing the script, I need to install mySQL. After I do some updates to the host. If this takes too long, I'll cut the video, but my memory says it doesn't hurt so bad. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, let's make sure we can log in. And we can. All right, cool. So let's see. All right, with mySQL installed, let's go ahead and run our creation script. MySQL input and output. All right, and that seems to have run with no errors. Let's get into mySQL and see if we can see our tables. First, we'll go ahead and use the ops.db, and then show tables, and there they are. So it worked. Very good. Good looking script. I think what I will also do, perhaps in the next video, is to install Postgres and determine how portable or not this SQL creation script is on that platform. And if not, make the necessary modifications to the script. And that might mean having a separate script to have that run successfully. But that's going to do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed, and you'll see, or at least hear me, in the next one.